shit. We got the bike on the whip, baby. We're about to cruise over to the Pontiac skate park, get an outdoor session with Curb, and maybe get some clips. Maybe, don't really know. Don't plan on bringing my tripod here or anything like that. So if we get anything, it might just be like phone clips and shit. Oh no, good thing I didn't leave. I need my hat. Ooh, look what we got here, baby. Got the bike on the bike, and we're about to go to Pontiac Park. Yeah, get a little outdoor session. See how this whole bike on the rack goes. It's kind of ghetto. I mean, it's like you've seen here. Just two ratchet straps holding her on. Some stuff so the wheel don't move. And yeah, we're ready to roll.
And what do you know, the audio booped out again, baby. But the bike handled the bike on the bike quite well, to be honest. I mean, again, we were only driving. It was about 10-minute ride each way. So 5 miles is the distance. And yeah, it made it. There it is on the bike. It held up quite well. I'm actually quite happy with how it turned out. I might make a little modification to how I do it next time. The front did lift up a little bit just because obviously it's like a 25-30 pound bike. My bike's not necessarily light, but I mean it's light in terms of bikes. So yeah, man. Now let's get into some riding.
Fuck that up, man. Oh my god, I hit my tag going up. Oh no. Take a nice little like one hour trip to Detroit or something. Go to one of the parks down there. That'd be fun. I think we'll do that. I don't know if I'm gonna do that this week, but we're gonna do it. Sketchy turn. Yo, y'all can flame me, I'm not wearing gloves. I honestly wouldn't even wear my helmet if I had fucking glasses right now. We would not be recording. I am sweating, so we're gonna crack the mask. It might be a little bit loud, but I'm probably gonna just end the video right here anyways. There's not much coming up that we're gonna see, and I don't got much to talk about other than I'm not buying a rack. I might make one, but like, I don't know. I don't really plan on it. We'll see what happens. I really don't know what is gonna happen here, but we'll see. I got scared with those cops right there. There's a bike cop too, and I'm going definitely over the speed limit, and I got the bike on the back here. I'm just stressing out for no reason. We're good. But yeah, we'll be going to some more skate parks and having a good time. So hopefully the audio worked out in this video. There's no guarantee. It seems like it's 50-50 at this point. I'm about to order a new mic and a new adapter. That way I have both, and I can determine, you know, where the actual issue stems from. I don't have another adapter for the lapel mics, and my other lapel mic ripped in half, so like the cord ripped. So we don't have another lapel mic to test it with, and I don't have any other way to test it. Damn, that's a nice ass Mustang for the age. It's definitely nice. Ooh. cover down here. Mission Nav.
Power off.